Hi there, this is Basement Mitzi, and today's review is going to be on an Adventure Medical Kit Mountain Series Hiker. This kit has a price point of $29.99 and weighs a little over half a pound. It's good for fitting in a backpack and being taken for hiking. It has a comprehensive wilderness guide with it, and this kit has clearly labeled pockets letting you find what you need at a moment's notice, organized by your injury level. I like this kit, but I do find that it's lacking quick clot and a tourniquet. So those two items, I would give this kit a 5-star rating if it had those included. Since it doesn't, I'm going to give this kit a 4-star rating. This kit's decent for what it is, and it's a boo-boo kit. And I think it'll work out great for someone out hiking or camping. Thanks a lot, and that's all I've got. Have a good one. Like and subscribe if you would. Take care.